Hey guys, where are we off to?
Murray Falls!
Woo-woo!
Welcome to Murray Falls, one of Far North Queensland's hidden gems, located in the stunning Girramay National Park, about an hour and a half south of Cairns. Surrounded by lush tropical rainforests, Murray Falls is the perfect place to slow down, reconnect with nature, and experience one of the region's most beautiful waterfall destinations. Here we are at Murray Falls. You can hear the waterfall in the background. Woo-woo! First night away, so exciting. We're all getting set up. The highlight here is, of course, the falls themselves. The Murray River tumbles over a series of granite cascades, creating crystal clear swimming holes and spectacular viewpoints. There are walking tracks that take you through the rainforest, including lookouts where you can see the falls from above and take in the incredible scenery. For those who love swimming, the main swimming area is a great spot to cool off. Especially during the warmer months, the rainforest setting makes it feel like you've found your own little paradise.
Murray Falls!
The campground at Murray Falls is well set up for visitors wanting to stay overnight. Facilities include toilets, picnic tables, barbecue areas, and cold showers. Campsites are surrounded by rainforest, giving you a real bush camping experience while still having the basics you need. If you're lucky enough, you'll bump into one of the local residents. Just be sure not to leave any food out, because the cassowaries will eat your food and they have no problem coming right into your camp. We're going to do the 1.8 kilometre walk up to the top of the waterfall, which is called the Girramay Walk. We're going to start down here and make our way all the way to there. Ready to go? Ready to go? All right. There are plenty of things to do here: swimming, bushwalking, photography, bird watching, relaxing by the river, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of being surrounded by nature. It's important to remember this is a national park, so facilities are fairly basic. Bring your own drinking water, food and supplies, and make sure you book your campsite before arriving. If you're travelling through Far North Queensland, Murray Falls is definitely worth adding to your itinerary. It's a beautiful place where you can escape the crowds, enjoy a swim, and experience the incredible rainforest landscapes this region is famous for. Highly recommend.